Hi, how to transfer your domain to new hosting. Okay, so you can see here I have two domain hosting login. Okay, so from my old hosting I am going to file manager, or you should go to file manager to transfer your all email. Go to old hosting, file manager, then go to mail folder, click on mail folder. Then you can see here I have several domain available, and as per domain I have several email account. Okay, so if you click inside some email, you can see this is the domain, one domain available. Okay, so if you want to back up single domain, then just click and compress this one, so single email transfer. Okay, just compress, and it should be zip. Okay, and see the file name, and just compress is done. Then you can download this one. Okay, just right click and download. Okay, this is for single domain transfer, email transfer. Okay, from mail folder. Same way you have to backup, but if you want to transfer your all domain, then from up to top all the folder inside mail you should select. Just click top, then drag and drop up to down. Okay, and compress all, and it should be zip, and you can see the folder file name drafter zip. Okay, so same file folder you should download, and click on compress. I am not doing this one, I am cancelling, because I have already made this one compress inside my same folder. Only for your tutorial I made this one, so I am cancelling. Okay, so you can see here the draft folder again, or you can click to mail, and you can see here draft folder, yes, you can see here draft folder. This is compression for all our email account, email folder, right? Download this one. Then this email folder contain only the disk space, whatever our email. Then our credential is inside etc, so just go to etc. Then same way you can follow. If you want to download single email, then just click single domain, then compress this one and download. Okay, just click here, you can see here inside all the credential. Okay, so if you want to okay, so to compress this one, just click here outside the email, then compress, it should be selected. Okay, then compress, or right click and compress, same thing, and it should be zip, and see the file name and compress. Okay, it will be done within a minute. Okay, so done. Just download this one. Okay, so after then you can go to your new hosting same way. Okay, and then go to mail folder. You can see whatever domain available here. Okay, then you can upload here whatever we have. Same way you can upload here whatever we download. Whatever mail compression should be updated into mail, and etc should be uploaded into etc folder. Okay, so you can upload in this way. Just select and upload. I am not uploading because I have already done this one. This is only for demo purpose. Okay, so after you upload, this zip folder, you should unzip this one. Okay, same way you can upload, after then unzip. And etc also, you can go to etc folder and you should upload same way, and upload the zip folder you have downloaded from old hosting, then unzip this one. Okay, extract this one. Okay, then guys, you should be sure that before you transfer your email in your new hosting, your domain should be available as for transfer. Okay, all the domain of your previous hosting should be available, and from what the domain you have created email should be added in your new hosting. If you have no domain available in your new hosting, if you transfer your email, then obviously your email will not work. So before you transfer your etc and mail compressed file to new hosting, it should be sure your domain is available there. You can add a domain from here if you have no any idea, and you can check whatever domain is available here. Okay, so whatever domain is available here, same email account will work, otherwise it will not work even if you transfer. Thank you for seeing this video, guys.